Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The all-new 2026 Ferrari F80. This is not just another supercar. It's Ferrari's latest masterpiece, a hypercar that redefines the meaning of speed, design, and luxury. The F80 is Ferrari's vision for the future, blending electrifying performance with breathtaking aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. So, buckle up as we explore this beast in full detail. The exterior, the interior, the performance, and the price that makes it a dream for most but a reality for the lucky few. At first glance, the 2026 Ferrari F80 looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. The design is incredibly futuristic, combining smooth aerodynamics with sharp aggression. Ferrari has pushed every boundary of carbon fiber craftsmanship here. The body is sculpted with deep air intakes and flowing lines that channel air perfectly across its surface. The front fascia is dominated by ultra-slim LED headlights integrated seamlessly into the hood's contour. There's a low, pointed nose that enhances downforce, and the massive front splitter gives it that track-focused attitude. From the side, the F80's proportions are pure perfection. Long, low, and wide. The butterfly doors open upwards, adding a dramatic touch every time they rise. The massive side vents not only look stunning but serve a critical purpose, cooling that hybrid powertrain lurking underneath. The wheels are lightweight, forged alloys wrapped in ultra-low profile Pirelli tires designed for maximum grip. Around the back, the F80's design screams performance. The quad exhausts are placed high within the aggressive diffuser, while the LED tail lights are thin, stretched, and elegant. The large active rear wing adjusts automatically depending on speed and cornering, providing the ideal balance between stability and drag reduction. Everything about this car's exterior says speed and precision. Step inside the F80 and you enter a cockpit designed purely for the driver. Ferrari has taken a minimalist yet futuristic approach to the interior, focusing on function over frills. The steering wheel remains the heart of the car's control system, loaded with all essential switches and controls, from drive mode selectors to indicators. Behind it sits a fully digital curved instrument cluster that displays everything from performance stats to energy regeneration data in crisp detail. The seating position is low and snug, perfectly aligned with the car's center of gravity. The seats themselves are ultralight carbon fiber shells wrapped in fine Alcantara and leather, providing both comfort and support at extreme speeds. The center console is narrow, featuring touch-sensitive controls for drive modes, suspension settings, and the hybrid system. Ferrari has even incorporated augmented reality overlays into the display, allowing drivers to view track, data, and navigation directly on the windshield. Through a heads-up display, there's very little distraction here, just a perfect blend of luxury materials, racing technology, and Italian craftsmanship. Even the smallest details, like the stitching, the paddle shifters, and the red start button, remind you that this isn't just a car, it's a driving experience built for passion. Now let's talk about what really makes the 2026 Ferrari F80 so extraordinary, its performance. Under the hood lies Ferrari's most advanced powertrain ever created. It's a hybrid twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 200 horsepower. This setup rockets the F80 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds flat, with a top speed exceeding 250 mph. That's hypercar territory, competing directly with the likes of the Bugatti Chiron and Koenigsegg Jesko. The F80's hybrid system isn't just about adding power, it's also about precision and efficiency. The electric motor provides instant torque and assists during gear shifts, creating a seamless surge of acceleration. Ferrari has also tuned the power delivery for different drive modes, from a silent electric-only mode for city driving to an insane Corsa mode that unleashes full power for the track. The handling is nothing short of mind-blowing. The car uses an adaptive suspension system, four-wheel steering, and Ferrari's latest torque vectoring technology, giving it razor-sharp agility through corners. The carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, ensuring that this speed monster can come to a halt just as quickly as it accelerates. On the road, the F80 feels alive, responsive, precise, and brutally fast. On the track, it transforms into a weapon. Every input, from the steering to the throttle, feels like an extension of the driver. The balance between the hybrid system and the combustion engine is flawless, offering the perfect mix of control and power. Even at high speeds, the aerodynamic design keeps the car stable and planted. Ferrari engineers have poured everything they know into creating a car that's not just about straight line performance, but also about the pure joy of driving. And of course, with this level of innovation and performance, the 2026 Ferrari F80 comes with a price tag that matches its exclusivity. The estimated starting price is around $3 million, and production will be extremely limited, likely under 100 units worldwide. Each F80 can be customized through Ferrari's tailor-made program, allowing buyers to choose unique materials, color schemes, and performance options. In essence, the 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just a car. It's a symbol of what's possible when art, technology, and engineering meet at the highest level. It represents the future of Ferrari, where sustainability, performance, and emotion coexist in perfect harmony. Whether it's the jaw-dropping exterior, the immersive interior, or the astonishing performance figures, the F80 proves once again that Ferrari knows exactly how to make our hearts race. So that's all for today's review of the 2026 Ferrari F80, the car that's redefining the hypercar era. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AK Cars Reviews for more deep dives into the most exciting cars on the planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another automotive legend.